All right guys, today we're gonna take my big single 335i out for some drinks today. I'm gonna go get some Dutch Bros. We got the videographer in, and here we go. Hope it starts, because it's always a possibility that it won't. For anybody wanting to watch me do a pull, scroll through the video for about a minute and you'll find me after I get this thing warmed up. Porsche. There was a SRT 10 in the back of that a minute ago. Where's Dutch Bros? Right. Opposite way this time. Stop sign? Who needs those? Looks like everybody's going to Dutch Bros today.
He's lurking.
Yeah.
Missed the light for it.
Yeah, he's wanting to smoke, ain't he? See his leg hanging out the window, the door. I think that's something. Take your, you know I can do that. Put my leg out the window.
You should.
I do sometimes. I'm not even there yet. I need another 1,000 RPM. Damn. You wanna run him? For the escape? Just occasionally, like I'll see somebody like big smiling, like they got the window down and they're like videoing, but like other than that, I hardly ever see anybody look. Oh yeah, that was a solid.
Dude, was that first?
First and second.
Gets it.
Yeah. This thing rolls out. It's only on 12 pounds of boost, guys. For everybody watching, this is only 12 pounds on the big single turbo. This is simply on a base map because we're working on trying to figure out fueling right now. So this is not even on port. This is just a direct injection on 12 pounds. Hopefully the next video of this car will be on reflex on 20 plus pounds of boost. Could cut all these people off to get in it. I thought about it. I questioned it and went, yes, it's happening. Now, this other escape, probably like, got a hot foot. Probably beat us there. It's a WRX. I don't know, she's getting staged. She's staged up.
Yeah, she's ready.
I think the Hyundai just pulled up next to me. They're all trying to go. We're trying to get to this Dutch Bros. In order for us to get there, we have to get out in front of this escape, cut it off completely, make a hard right. And I hope they, oh no, she's got her hand up, she's ready. Shit. Oh yeah, she's ready. She is gonna floor it.
Go, go, go.
Oh. It's
Not
okay.
even a chance.
The white car turned. Okay.
That's why.
Oh, she's going to Dutch Bros. Look at that. She knows what's up.